Morning students, we are starting with lesson number 2.6 of unit 2, advise customer. Now what it means, advise customer means you are advertising your product to the customer. That means advise customers. Customers are the people who comes to buy the products or the things which you are selling. So they are known as a customer. So we will be moving to our lesson. You must have seen ads, that is advertisement, on TV and in many other places. Advertisements are given by owner of different companies to tell people about their products. The aim is to make people buy those products. Now what it means, if you are starting any business and you are making any product, so what you want that people to buy the products which you are making. It may be pen, pencil, sharpener, whatever it may be the thing. So before selling, what you will do, you will advertise that product. In TVs we can see the different advertisement of different products. It may be paste, Dettol ka. There are different advertisement we can see on the TV. Why they are doing like that? That people should aware. People should know that this product is new in the market and they should go and buy that and they should try that thing. So that company is doing the advertisement about the products, and the aim is that those products should go and should sell in the market. So people should come and buy that things. Advertisements are designed in such a way that people are impressed when they see them. They feels like buying the product. That is what the owner wants. But is the advice in the ad always good for you? You must think about it carefully. Now there are different products we can see in the advertisement, and what the advertisers are doing, they are advertising their products in such a way that people get impressed on that things and they feel to buy that products. So it is up to us, we should think before buying that the products which we are seeing, it's really good for us or not. So it is on us. So we must think carefully before buying whatever we are seeing. You must act like a wise customer and decide what to buy, how much to buy and what not to buy. Now before buying anything, you have to think twice, like a wise means like a good person. You have to think and decide what you want to buy, how much you want that, and what the thing you should not buy. If this all things are in your hand. Now there is some picture of a new advertisement. So we will start with. Now first is feeling happy, crispy crunchy. Second is feeling sad, crispy crunchy. Feeling tired, crispy crunchy. Lost the match, crispy crunchy. Won the cup, crispy crunchy. Day and night, crispy crunchy. Now what is this? Ad means I explain you. Feeling happy. Now this girl feels happy by eating crispy crunchy. Crispy crunchy is like chips, like how we buy kurkure and different types of products like Lay's and all. So crispy crunchy is also a chips. So that girl is feeling happy by crispy crunchy. Now here what that boy is, he is sad. So what that ad is telling, if you are sad, so you should have crispy crunchy to change your mind. Now here this girl is feeling tired by doing the homeworks. So what that girl is telling, what she want, crispy crunchy to eat. Now here this boy has lost the match. So what the advertiser is telling, if you lost the match, to eat the crispy crunchy to change your mood. Here another boy has won the cup. So he is happy in eating crispy crunchy. Now day and night, what this girl is telling, I just want to eat crispy and crunchy only. Now and then. Now what this girl is telling, whenever, now and then, now also, afterward also, what I want, crispy crunchy. So for you and me, the crispy crunchy. So this Crepsy Crunchy is in the shape of X. So what I want, you can tell it X also, or you can mention it as a plus sign also. It's like a kurkure. So it is for you and for me. It is for everyone. This Crepsy Crunchy they can eat. So every time Crepsy Crunchy only for ₹5 get one pack free. Now if you go to buy this Crepsy Crunchy, so it is for ₹5, and when you buy one packet you will get another pack free on it. So it is just an advertisement for this lesson. So we will move ahead. My teacher says we see many types of chips, wafers and other snacks in the market. We get them in attractive packets or pouches. These snacks are usually fried food that contain a lots of salt and spices. They are good to taste but not so good for your health if you eat them all the time. Growing children needs a balanced and nourishing diet that includes different types of cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, milk, etc. Now here is a one boy. He is telling that his teacher has said him there are different types of chips in the market. It's right. There are different types of chips and wafers we can see in the market which are available to eat as a snacks, like Lays, wafer, kurkure, chataka pataka and many more are there. But what her teacher is telling, these chips just to make the children to buy it, means they make in a attractive packets and pouches, means the packet designs or pouches are being made so attractive that children should go and buy it. But this all foods are fried one, and in that lots of salt and spices are there which is not good for the children. So it is not good for their health also. If you want you can have it, but some time, not every time or whole day. Some people eat outside food, that is not good. For growing children, what they need, they should have a balanced diet such as cereals, pulses, like all types of fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, all homemade things. If you eat, that is good for your health. And it may be banana, chips, sorry, not chips, banana, beans, yogurts. These are the things that child's favorite. So you should eat the homemade foods which is made at home. You should have chips and all, but sometime, not every time. Now there is another ad. What the ad say? We will see the ad of the left side. Right side I will explain you later. Didi, look at this, my new dress for the party. Where's your? Now here there are two girls. One is Didi and another is a small girl. So what that girl is telling to her sister, Didi means a sister. So she is showing her new dress to her sister. But what her sister is telling? No party for me. Now, Bitya Rani, tap tap tap, my new shoes for the party. Where are yours? Now here her dad comes and tell Bitya Rani means my sweet daughter. See my shoes. This is a new shoes for the party. Where is yours? Again what she is telling? No party for me. Again here also we are doing left side only. Bitya Rani ting ting ting. Choose new bangles for party. Now here a mother comes and she is also telling, my sweet daughter, you choose a new bangle for the party. Again what she is telling? No party for me. Now, what's the matter? Why are you sad? Now here her friend comes and she is asking, what's the matter? What happened? Why you are so sad? My skin is so dark. I feel so bad. No party for me. Now what she is telling to her friend, my skin is looking so dark and I feel so bad to go out in the party. So I don't want to go for the party. So no party for me. Is that all? Don't worry, solve your problem with Hema Gowri. Now what her she tells, don't worry, this is a small problem, you don't worry. I can solve your problem with the Hema Gowri. Now we will see what is Hema Gowri. 5 days to fairness. This is the right side I am explaining you. 5 days to fairness. Now Hema Gowri is a cream. She is telling that you apply this cream for 5 days. Hema Gowri will make your skin shine. Now see, left side her skin was dark and right side her skin has become fair by applying what? Hema Gowri. Be fair as a fairy with Hema Gowri. Now that girl is telling, the girl who was telling no party for me, see that girl, she is telling you can become like a fairy by like a fair with the Hema Gowri. This is the Hema Gowri cream. When you will apply this cream, you will become fair like that girl. Rupees 10 off on every 100-gram tube or bottle. Hurry offer closes on 1st April. Now what the offer on this cream is, when you go to buy the 100-gram cream tube or the bottle, you will get 10% off on that product, and this offer is for limited period, so it will get closed till 1st April. And now this Hema Gowri cream is also for this lesson only. So I hope students you all understood what means add wise customer. Means to attract the front person to buy the things which you are bringing or selling in the market as a new product. So you want the customers to buy your products. As many as the customer will buy that product, you will get profit on that. So the advertise means to attract the front person. I hope you all understood this lesson. Thank you, students.